I'm going to create a list of items. I'm going to call it items. I'm going to say, actually, no, I'm going to call it inventory. We want to store an inventory of items. And let's say in our inventory, we have a chair. And this model is stuff. And we have a gun, I don't know, an AR-15. And we have a potion, let's call it a health potion. And then we want to loop through our inventory. And we want to display them all. So we get a chair, a gun, and a potion. And these aren't the only types of methods that we could have. We could have like a use method. For example, we could have a public virtual void use. And we do public override use, and we can say console write line use sat down. And then we could have another use in our potion called, I don't know, stuff happened. And then we could have another use method and just do like bang. And so let's say we want to display our items, then we want to use them. So we get a chair, we get a gun, and we get a potion. And they're all in our inventory.